Have you ever stood up after sitting for a long period of time and your back feels tight, stiff, and in pain? Maybe you're sitting at the computer or driving in your car or sitting watching TV. And then the moment you get up, you feel it in your back. Well, that's because you're in a prolonged position and your muscles tighten up. Then once you sit up, they stretch. Hi, my name is Dr. Jeff LaBianco, a doctor of physical therapy. And I've been a therapist for nearly 20 years, helping patients reduce back pain, improve mobility, and get back to doing the activities they love. In this video, I'd like to show you how to reduce that back pain while getting up from a sitting position. And I'm not going to give you the #1 exercise, because in my years of experience, I've learned that the best exercise for this patient could be the worst for that one. I want you to learn which direction your back moves in best. And then by learning that, we can build upon it. Before you even stand up, I want you to do this with me now. I want you to bend forward and then come back up. Now, how does that feel? Is it better, worse, or the same? If it's the same, do it a few more times. Come down and back up, and down and back up. Is it better, worse, or the same? If it's better, that's the direction you want to continue doing. If it's worse, we'll move on to the next direction. Now, the next direction, you're going to put your hands behind your back. You're going to bend back and forth, and back and forth. And do that a few times and see, is it better, worse, or the same? Once you realize which direction is better, we can then perform exercises that are based off of that direction. So if your back is better bending forward, I want you to do this before getting out of the chair. I want you to bend forward 10 times, okay? Once you've done that, I'd like you to stand up, and then I'd like you to bend forward again in standing, touching your toes and coming back up 10 times. And notice how it feels. If this is the right direction, your stiffness will go away. For those who feel better with back extension, I want you to do your back extension 10 times in sitting. Then I'd like you to stand up and do standing back bends 10 times. Notice how the back discomfort fades away. Now, these are very foundational exercises. And I know some of you may be saying, well, of course, if it feels better, keep doing it. If it feels worse, don't. Well, that's true. I've just seen so many people go on YouTube, pick the wrong exercise because it's better for this person, and it actually makes them worse. In the following videos, I'm going to show you how to improve your back pain based on exercises that prefer the forward flexion motion as well as the backward extension motion. If you're interested in learning more how to improve your back pain, please visit the Back Pain Reset in the description below, where I bring you through a 5-day program to help you discover what direction your back really prefers and getting to the core of the discomfort, thus being able to perform exercises that will really make you better. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like, and comment which movement made you better. Was it the forward flexion or the back extension? I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where I explain how to reduce low back pain before getting up in the morning. I'll see you in the next one.